I know today we are taking the air delivery of air cooler. So this is our air cooler with its front portion, and this one is the testing panel which we have set it on to 30 volts. So we are taking the air delivery of this cooler up to its steady state condition of 230 volts, and this is the anemometer. With the help of this we will check the air velocity of this cooler, and this is our front portion of cooler which have 510 mm dia. So we have divided this cooler into 20 portions. At 20 portion we will take the air velocity with the help of this anemometer. So now we are going to take the first readings with the anemometer.
This is the anemometer.
Yes.
And now
This is the anemometer. Now we are taking the first reading of anemometer.
looks there.
You can look at the anemometer. We are taking the reading of first portions.
We note down the after steady state condition in anemometer 2.6.
2.6 is the velocity of first portion, air velocity of the first portions. So we will write down this reading on our notebook. You can see here, this is the first reading 2.6. Now we are going to take the second reading on second portions.
2.5.
This comes at 2.5. So now we will note down this reading on our notebook. That is second portion of 2.5. So now we are taking the reading on third portion.
4.2.
It comes 4.2. And now at the fifth portion,
4.0.
now at the sixth portion,
3.8.
now at the seventh portion,
3.5.
now at the eighth portion,
4.4.
now at the ninth portion,
3.2. 3.21. 8.5. 8.6. 9.3.
so we are note down the reading at this notepad with
8.8.
each portion.
9.3. 8.8.
Now at 13th portion,
8.7.
switch velocity is 8.7. Now at 13th portion,
7.9. 8.0. 8.0. 8.1. 8.3. 17.
on 17th portion,
5.6.
on 18th portion,
3.1.
on 19th portion,
2.9.
and 20th portion.
5.1.
So we have took the odd readings at all 20th portion. Kindly ensure during taking the velocity of each portion, the vertical lower and horizontal lower should be in straight position. So we have note down all the readings on our notebook. So now we are going to calculate the air delivery of this cooler. So this is the die of circle, that is 510 mm. So we have to calculate the circle area of this circle, that is pi r square. This is coming, area of circle is 0.204. Our maximum air velocity was, that is on 11th portion 9.3. So we have to write down maximum air velocity, that is 9.3 meter per second. So our average air velocity on 20th portion was 5.66 meter per second. So maximum air delivery was 9.3 into that area into 36,000. That is we have to convert it in conversation of for in hours.
Second to hours.
So our
And now
average
now the maximum air delivery is 6829.9 meter cube per hours, and average air delivery is 4156.7 meter cube per hours. Okay, done.